Welcome to the demo video of Flexilife Associate. Today, I will show you how to generate your personalized link on the flexilife.in website. Whether you're an artist, a teacher from the creative world, or the owner of a facility of recreational activities like gym or sports club, you can create a beautiful profile and share it on your social media platforms to start getting bookings in minutes. So, let's get started. Creating your web link on the flexilife.in website is divided into two simple steps in the Flexilife Associate application. Step 1 is adding categories or services that you offer, and Step 2 is creating unlimited entries, that is, courses, events, workshops, or even your self-profile. So, let's start with the first step of adding categories that you offer. Click on the plus icon on the home page. Add a category. Now choose the category and click on Book and Go. Book and Go is the product designed by Flexilife for you to create entries that you already offer and present in your profile to get direct bookings without inquiries. The products Learn and Grow and Be a Pro shall be launched soon. So for now, tap on Book and Go. Select the subcategories that you offer and click on Add. And here we are all set to start creating entries. If you want to add more categories to your account, you can do it from the More tab, My Services section. Entries is the common terminology that we use at Flexilife for courses that you offer or events and workshops that you conduct, and finally even your self-profile as an artist to get bookings. To start creating entries, click again on the plus icon on the home page. This time it will show you the list of the categories that you just added. Now click on the category under which you want to create your first entry. I'm choosing drums for this demo. Now, this is a two-pager simple form. The first thing is name. Name of the entry is important as it gives the reader an idea of what you're trying to sell. I'm creating a course entry in this example. So, let's keep the name as Learn Drums with the Rocks. Next is description. Give a perfect description, corroborating to the entry that we are creating. Give any specific details here that you want to give, or write something that will attract users to your profile like a tagline. Now, location. You can create multiple locations and assign a title to them, for example, Home, Mumbai Studio, Pune Studio, etc. for your distinction, and then select the location for which you are creating this particular entry. Next is staff. If you would have selected individual as the type of the organization while creating your profile, you will not be able to see this line. Also, this is not a mandatory field. So, if you are creating an entry that you yourself would be serving and do not require a staff, then leave it as it is. First, fill in the basic details of the staff. Put their phone number and set a password for them, which they can use for login. Give location details of the staff. And this is status. Only if the status of the staff is kept active in the owner's account can they log into their profile. And now the permissions part. You can assign one of the 3 permissions to staff based on their role in the organization. Level 1. These staff can only view the entries that you create for them. They will not be able to create their own entries under your profile or see any important information like billing details. Next is the level 2 staff, who gets all the permissions of level 1 staff and also the permission to create their own entries, which shall be reflected under your profile. They still cannot see the billing section in their app. Level 3 is an all owners right and is for people with designation, like the co-owners. They get all the rights as that of the owner of the application. After creating the staff, select the staff you want to assign the entry that you're creating. Now, fill up the pricing details with the appropriate unit of price. Select online pricing for online entries, on-site pricing for on-site entries. You may select both, in case, if the entry that you are creating in an online and on-site entry. Further, you may keep different prices for online and on-site. Now, put your schedule for this entry, by marking the days for the entry. For example, I'm selecting Monday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and then, Friday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. The entries created are by default recurring in nature, and hence you do not have to repeat the exercise of creating entries every week. Ratio. Select the maximum number of users that may take up this entry, and then select the actual available seats under this entry. Click on Next and tick the boxes relevant to the entry. This helps to avoid any confusion in the mind of the user before booking the entry. Click on Create Entry. Congratulations! Your entry is created successfully. Now check this and all the entries you create on the web link generated. Start sharing this across all social media platforms and be busy with Flexilife.